Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roshan, and in today's video I'm going to show you 3 methods to upgrade your TWRP recovery. So in this video I'm going to use my Samsung Galaxy Core 2. Yes, these three methods are very simple, and one method requires PC, one method requires recovery. It can be your stock recovery, or it can be TWRP, or it can be CWN, doesn't matter. You just have to flash the zip file. Third method uses a recovery image file, and it can be directly flashed through your TWRP recovery. So these three methods are very simple. You can choose anyone you like according to your premise. If you have a PC or not, doesn't matter. These three methods can help you. And if you end up liking this video, if this video helps you in any way, please let me know in the comment section. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. And yes, please like this video, share this video with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and when you subscribe, please hit the bell icon. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now we are on my PC, and this is the first method. This requires a PC, and we are going to use Odin, the proprietary software from Samsung. So if you're on Samsung phone, just follow me along, and if you are using any other smartphone, then you need to find a proprietary software that you're using, and you need to use the exact same file that is intended for that particular software. So I'm using Odin here. So before using Odin, you need to install the Samsung drivers for your smartphone. So make sure you download it and install it first. It's gonna take a long time to install, so make sure you install it first. Later, so I'm going to keep it aside, and this is the Odin zip. Just extract this zip here, and we have this folder here, Odin folder, and we have all these files in here. So now you need to open this TWRP file, particularly for Odin. So I'm going to double click and open this, and now we have a file inside recovery.tar.md5. Just I'm going to drag this file and just put it inside the Odin folder. So that's gonna be here. You can see this. I'm going to just close this other folder. Now what you need to do is make sure you have installed the Samsung driver. Now let's go to a phone and bring it into the download mode. So for that, just go to your phone and press the volume down button, home button, and the power button at the same time. So as you can see, we are in the download mode, but there's one more step. Just you need to press the volume up button to go to download mode. So now we are in the download mode. At this point of time, plug in your USB cable. Now back to our PC. You can see this Odin 3 version 3.11.2.exe. Just right click and run it as administrator. So now we are in this Odin software. Before moving on, you can see we have our device connected here, added, and go to options and make sure repartition option is not checked. Do not check this option. Go back to your log and click on AP. And select the file, recovery.tar.md5, and click on open. Now what you need to do is just click on start. So our phone has restarted automatically. So now let's wait for our phone to reboot. I'm going to just unplug the USB, and now I'll just power down my device. Click OK. To go to recovery, press the volume up, home button, and the power button at the same time, and release when the Samsung Galaxy logo appears. So that should take us to our new recovery, and I think we are on a new recovery, and I can see So you can, hopefully you can see that screen is too bright, I suppose. You can see recovery 3.0.0-0. So this is our new recovery, and this is our first method. Let's move on to a second method. So this is the method number 2, and this method requires a flashable zip, so you can download the file down in the description. And this also requires a custom recovery or a stock recovery, doesn't matter. So now we are going to power off my device. So after it's completely turned down, press the power up, now press the volume up button, home button and the power button at the same time. So just release when the phone vibrates or the Samsung logo shows up. Now we are on my recovery, and I'll turn down the brightness a little. Let me go to settings and go to brightness, and yes, hopefully you can see it right now, but I don't think so. Okay, I guess now. So I'm continuing from my last method, so I did not downgrade. So what you need to do is you have to go to install, just now select the storage. So I'm going to micro SD, okay, and I'll select the TWRP SMG3. You can see the zip file. Okay, so just select the zip file and it will flash. Just swipe to flash. That should flash. As you can see, it's successful. Now I'll go to reboot and just click on reboot recovery. So it will be back to a recovery, and you can see there's no problem there. So just a flashable zip, use flashable zip for this method. And we are back. So now we are doing the third method. The third method is very simple. Just click on install, and you can see we have this option here, install image. Hope you can see that, install image. Just click on that and you will be able to see the TWRP 3.0.0 sm-g355h.img. so this is the direct image file. Just click on that, and we have two options here, boot and recovery. Just click on recovery and just swipe to flash, and that's done. Very simple. Now I'll just click on reboot recovery, and if there aren't any problems, we will be able to boot our recovery without any issues. So as you can see, we are on our recovery, no issues. So yes, that's it. So I guess this video helped you, and if it did, please let me know in the comment section, and please don't forget to support my channel by liking, sharing, and yes, by subscribing to my channel. And also, if you're willing to support my channel financially, there is a PayPal link down in the description. You can support me through that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.